Hello and welcome to a new episode of Product Basics. Today I will quickly teach you two ways of mounting the square inspection window in a double-skinned door. The windows are available for doors in several thicknesses, for instance 40, 50 and 60 millimeters, and they work well in HVAC units with either positive or negative pressure and create perfect thermal break, stopping condensation, heat loss and mold problems. Now you can mount this square inspection window both in assembled or unassembled doors where the door is still in parts. Normally these doors for HVAC units are often insulated, but I have left out the insulation for clarity in this video. Also, this is a demo door, so don't care about these extra cutouts. The important part is the square cutout. Let's start by getting the right tools. You will need an electric drill or screwdriver handle equipped with a Torx T15 bit, a flat screwdriver, and if you are assembling the inspection window in an already assembled door, you will also need a sharp utility knife. The square inspection window is assembled from 4 parts and a handful of screws. First, separate the two frame halves. Then you need to separate the inside black ABS frame from the transparent polycarbonate window. I use a flat screwdriver to carefully pry them apart. Make sure not to damage the polyurethane foam gasket along the circumference. Repeat the procedure with the other frame and window. First, you must see what type of door you have. If the door is still unassembled, you first open the door and separate the door skins so you have access to its inside. Snap the black frame together. Now place the frame inside the door. The small ridge should follow the cutout in the door, and this ensures that the frame stays in the right position. Reassemble the door. It's often riveted or screwed, like in this case. Make sure that the frame is in position centered in the cutout. Now push the window parts onto the frame, one from each side. We recommend that you place the window with the 8 screw holes facing out. That gives a smooth, clean surface on the inside and allows for fixing a LED light on the outside. Finalize by attaching the screws, simultaneously compressing the gaskets on both sides for optimal seal. The screws, by the way, are from stainless steel. Now, on the other hand, if the door is already assembled, you must use a sharp, sturdy knife and cut each black square in 2. Use the 2 opposing cutting marks molded into the plastic frame. Be careful so you don't injure yourself. As the frames are cut, they may be folded along the center to fit into the cutout in the door. Instead of 2 frame parts, you now have 4 half frames. Snap them together 2 and 2, creating 2 pairs. As the frame is mounted in the cutout, push the window parts onto the frame. And again, we recommend that you place the window with 8 screw holes facing out. This allows for hygienic inside. Finalize by attaching the stainless Torx T15 screws, simultaneously compressing the gaskets on both sides for optimal seal. The reason for installing an inspection window is usually with an HVAC unit where you want to look into the unit while it's still in full operation. For instance, when observing pressure gauges, checking filter buildup, flow meters, rotating fan blades, and much more. In both cases I've described, the window is sealed in the door to air handling standard L1 DIN EN 1886. It's also sealed against dust or water to IP66 thanks to the design and the formed in place foam gasket fixed on the parts. At the time of making this video, the square window is available in door thickness 40, 50 and 60 millimeters, but check our web catalog at industriallaws.com for index code 5252 for possible new additions. Now, if you need help or assistance with latching hardware, need samples, drawings or product information, get in contact with us or check out our website industriallaws.com. We have been supporting companies like yours with latching hardware since 1981, and we can help you too. Our business development managers or customer service representatives will be happy to help you out. See you next time.